Hello everyone! Need to send money from your Revolut to Swedbank? Here's a quick and easy step. First, open your Revolut app and tap on Payments at the bottom. Now tap the plus icon in the top right corner to add a new recipient. If you're in Sweden, choose Bank Recipient. If you're outside Sweden, tap Send International and search for Sweden. Enter the amount you want to send and tap Continue. Now, enter your Swedbank details like your IBAN, account number, full name, optional email. Then, tap Add Recipient. They'll now be saved in Revolut. Back on the payment screen, select your Swedbank recipient, enter the amount again, and tap Continue. Double-check the information and tap Confirm to send. The money will now be transferred to your Swedbank account. And that's it. That's how to transfer money from Revolut to Swedbank. Thanks for watching! If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.